Hello everyone, welcome back to Swime Siksha. Well, today we're gonna continue the river system that we have. Okay, so today I'm gonna discuss the Yamuna River. So as we know that the origin of Yamuna was actually happened in Yamunotri, right? Which is north of Haridwar in Himalayan mountains. So it is the actual source of river Yamuna. Okay, so here the Yamunotri. Okay, the river Yamuna is actually, we know that it's a major tributary of river Ganga. Okay, so this was originated from, as I mentioned, Yamunotri glacier near Bandarpuch peaks in the Mussoorie range of the lower Himalayas. Okay, in the state of Uttarakhand. So here in the state of Uttarakhand where it actually starts. So, well, this Yamuna river was actually a 170-kilometer stretch with the tributaries of Rishi Ganga, Tons, Giri, etc. Okay, so well, through this Yamuna river, we have that so many elephant corridors and many kind of sanctuaries which we have over here in the Rupin Valley, etc. Okay, so it does have a wide range of wildlife sanctuary. Okay, now let's talk about well, as we know, the catchment area about this Yamuna was actually covers through the states of Uttar Pradesh, okay, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, okay, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, along with Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now let's talk about the tributaries. So, if we talk about the tributaries, the left hand tributaries were Hindon. So, here the Hindon was here. Okay, Giri and Tons. So, these were the three left hand tributaries. And if you talk about the right hand tributaries, which were the major ones, which was Chambal, okay, Betwa, Kane, Sindh, and Bhagain. So these were the major tributaries of Yamuna. So let's talk about the Tons River, which was the left-hand tributary. So this Tons River, it actually flows through Garhwal, which is the western part of the Himalayan state of Uttaranchal. Okay, so this originates from Bandarpuch in the Uttarakhand state only. So this was the first tributary which origins from Yamuna. Okay, and this it joins the Yamuna below Kalsi near Dehradun, Uttarakhand, right? And it is one of the most major perennial Indian rivers. Okay, so that is how it is important. So it is the most major perennial Indian Himalayan rivers. Okay, so that's about Tons. And if we talk about the Giri tributary, so this, well, it is a major source of water in the southern east Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so southern east Himachal Pradesh, and the Giri is famous, and the Giri is famous in Jubal, Rohpur, Rohur Hills that actually rises from Cooper Peak just above the Jubal town. Okay, and it flows across the heart of Shimla Hills. So Shimla Hills where it actually flows through. And not only that, it joins Yamuna upstream of Panota below Mokampur. So it joins Yamuna in the upstream. Okay. Now let's talk about the next one, which is Hindon. Well, this river is actually a kind of a sandwich between two major rivers, which is Ganga on the left and Yamuna on the right. So it has Ganga on the left and Yamuna on the right. And not only that, this river originates from upper Shivalik ranges, which is lower Himalayas, and it is purely a rain-fed river. So it depends on the rain. So it is just a rain-fed river. Okay. And not only that, the Hindon Air Force Base is actually located on the bank of this river. So we have a Air Force base near this river. So yes, these are the left-hand tributaries of Yamuna River. Now let's talk about the right hand tributaries. Well, as we could see the right hand tributaries, let's discuss the first one, which is Betwa River. Okay, so let's go with Betwa over here. Right. So the Betwa River originates in the Bhopal district in Madhya Pradesh, and this river joins Yamuna River near Hamirpur. Okay, so it joins near Hamirpur. Well, the river runs through the Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, so it covers both Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Well, this basin is actually a kind of a saucer shaped, with sandstone hills around the perimeter. So it does have a saucer shape of it. And this river has 14 principal tributaries. Okay, so this river itself has 14 tributaries. Okay, of which 11 are completely in Madhya Pradesh, and 11 are in Madhya Pradesh, and 3 lies in Madhya Pradesh partly and Uttar Pradesh partly. So, yes. And if you talk about the major tributaries of this Betwa River, so those are Halali and Dashan rivers. So these were the major tributaries of, so as you could see, the Dashan River over here. So Halali and Dashan rivers. Okay, now let's talk about the Dashan River. So this actually originates in the Begum Taj Tehli of Raisin district in Madhya Pradesh, which is in the central India. Okay, and the river forms the southern east boundary to the Lilitpur district of Uttar Pradesh. So it does have a boundary with Uttar Pradesh. So that's how it makes the river lies in the state of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh as well. Okay, and the river was actually known as Dasharan in ancient period. So it was called as Dasharna. So Dasharna in ancient period. And there is a water quality station at Garolai on River Dashan. So we have a water quality station in it, which is at Garolai. Sorry about the pronunciations. Now let's talk about the next one, which is the Kane. So this is an interstate river flowing through again Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, and it origins near Aghirwa Bagh in Jabalpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Well, this joins the Yamuna River near Chilla village in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and it forms the common boundary, as I mentioned, with the Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so it does also have an important tributaries, like as you could see here, the Sonar, Bierma, okay, Kopra, Beavers, Urmel, so a lot more it has. And not only that, the longest tributary was Sonar of the Kane. So Sonar was the longest tributary for Kane River. Okay, now let's talk about Sindh tributary. Well, it originated in the Vidisha district of Madhya Pradesh. It flows generally in the northeast direction and joins Yamuna near Auria. Okay, the important tributaries of Sindh were, Parvati and Kunwari, which is on the which is on its left bank, and Pahuj on the right bank. So these were the other tributaries of Sindh River. Now let's talk about the final one, which is the biggest one of Yamuna, which is Chambal. Well, this Chambal River was actually called as Charmavanti. Okay, so Charmanvati, okay, in the ancient times. Well, it is the largest of the rivers flowing through Rajasthan state. So it goes through Rajasthan, and of course, it also lies in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and this Chambal River is the biggest tributary of Yamuna, which actually rises in the Vindhyan range. Okay, in Indore district of Madhya Pradesh. So this was one largest tributary of Yamuna River. Okay, being as a largest tributary, well, it does have a major dams and barrage has been constructed on this Chambal River. Okay, so Gundi Sagar Dam, which was located on the boundary of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, that was the first one which was here. And Rana Pratap Sagar, which is located in the Rawat Bata near Gandhi Sagar Dam in the state of Rajasthan, and Jawahar Sagar Dam near Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. So, which were very near to all these three dams. And we have Kota Barrage, which is in the Kota district. Okay. So, these were the major three dams and a single barrage, which was constructed on this Chambal River. And of course, being as the largest tributary, of course, it does have the tributaries of its own. Well, the left bank tributaries were Bhanas and Mej, whereas the right hand tributaries will be Parbati, Kali Sindhu, and Shipra. So these were the major tributaries of this Chambal River as well. Okay, so these are the major tributaries of Yamuna. And Yamuna, as we know, of course, it does have Yamuna Pollution Board was actually there along with Gangas. So there has been so much pollution was actually happened with the Yamuna River being, crossing with the major states. So there has been a pollution board which was also there to control this pollution in the Yamuna River and to get back its water quality back again. And as I mentioned, it does have a rich sanctuaries and forest areas, which is for elephant movements and all. Okay, and not only that, it does have uh, you know various kinds of species like snowcock, okay, monal peasant and all, right? So it does have a lot of um, you know major species present in this river as well. So that is about the left hand and right hand tributaries and the origin of Yamuna. So, yes, that's all for today. And I'll come up with another river system again in the next series. So, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the notifications. And we already started our mains mentorship, which was started from this month only. And for prelims comes mains, foundation course will actually starts from August. So, please do check out our courses and feel free to contact us. You can check our website, which is in the description box below. Okay, thank you, and we'll get back to you.